Power supply which comes to our home, if somehow neutral got break in that power supply, then in this condition devices in our home will turn off. But from the transformer near to your home, neutral power supply which is coming, if that neutral supply breaks, then in this condition power supply will come to your home, but in your home voltage will be so high that all the devices in your home will get damaged. So why this happened that if in the transformer near your home neutral supply breaks, then also power supply comes to your home, and why there is very high voltage in that power supply? Let us understand this whole concept through this video. Transformer which is installed near your home, with that transformer at least 200 houses are connected. For now I connected 3 houses with this transformer so that I can explain you everything easily. Now as you can see, to this house we provided R phase power supply. Now power supply going to this home, in this power supply if neutral breaks, then in this condition what happen is phase supply will go, but through neutral supply it cannot return. It means phase supply will return till this point only. This results in turning off of all devices. Similarly, if neutral power supply breaks in this house, then in this condition also whole power supply of this house will be off. Now suppose neutral power supply breaks only at this point. It means to this house phase supply and neutral supply is proper, but neutral power supply for these two houses got break. If neutral power supply breaks at this point, then in this condition this house here and this house here, both these will be connected in series. Right now circuit is break from here, so what happen is this wire here will be same for both. You can say through one wire both are connected. So what happened, phase supply came here and returning from here it goes directly to another house. Now power supply returning from this house goes directly to this wire. You can understand this through simple circuit also. You can see to this house yellow phase power supply is provided. Output of this is now connecting to this house. Phase supply to this house is coming through blue phase, so I connected blue phase wire. So we can say both these houses are connected in series. Now all you know, if you measure voltage between phase and neutral, then it will be 230 volt. But if you measure phase to phase voltage here, then in this condition you will get 415 volt power supply. So what happened, for now by connecting this house and this house in series, we did the connection between two phase. That is, if we measure voltage between this point and this point, then we will get 415 volt. It means to these houses 415 volt is supplying now. Before connection was of 230 volt, but right now 415 volt they are getting. Just by looking this small circuit, we cannot say that to these houses 415 volt power supply will be supplied. You have to consider one more thing, that how much resistance is there in this house, and in this house how much resistance is there. It is not resistance actually, it is impedance we have to measure. For now we are considering resistance of this yellow house is 100 ohm. Similarly resistance of blue house is 300 ohm. Now after connecting these two houses in series, how much voltage is there in this house and how much voltage is there in this house, we have to calculate this. To calculate this, voltage divider formula you have to use. Formula of voltage divider is this one. It means resistance of first house and divide this by summation of first and second resistance and multiply this by voltage. So in this formula I am putting all the values. After putting the values, equation will become like this. After solving this equation, answer will be 103 volt. It means voltage of yellow house will decrease. Now in this blue house, how much voltage is there? Let's find out this also. To find this, you have to use same formula. So in this formula, I am putting the values. After putting all the values, when I solve this, answer will be 311 volt. Right now you can see in this yellow house only 103 volt is supplied. But in this blue house 311 volt is supplied. It means in this blue house there will be high voltage. In yellow house low voltage is there, and in this house high voltage will be supplied. Due to high voltage, devices in this house may get damaged. Now you are thinking, why voltage dropped in yellow house and in the blue house voltage is increased? Friends, you don't have to think too much. Simply understand that the house whose resistance will be less, there will be low voltage, and the house whose resistance will be more, there will be high voltage. Calculation we did just now, in this resistance of yellow house was low and resistance of blue house was high. So in this condition voltage difference was observed. Now let us understand one more thing. If resistance of yellow house is also 300, that is, resistance of both the houses is same, then in this condition what will happen? For this also you have to use same formula. After putting the values, if I solve this, the answer will be 207.5 volt. So you can see here, voltage of this yellow house is 207.5 volt. When it was normal before, then this house was getting 230 volt power supply, but right now 207 volt it is getting. If to this house 207 volt power supply is supplied, then nothing will happen. Devices in house will work normally. Now in this blue house, how much voltage is supplied? Let's find out this also. So in this formula, I am putting the values. After putting the values, I am solving this. Here you can see in both the houses, voltage is same. Same voltage is there because in both the houses, resistance is same. So right now you can understand that voltage of house is fully depend on resistance. In this video, I told you only about power supply of two houses. A condition may occur where neutral supply get break from transformer itself. If neutral power supply get break from the transformer point, then in this condition what will happen? Output of this transformer, I mean after this point, number of houses which are connected, they all will get connected in series parallel. This first house here will be connected in series with second house but in parallel to this house. Just understand simply that all the houses will get connected in series parallel. Now resistance of all the houses connected, as per this resistance only voltage will be supplied to houses. One condition you can also consider that resistance of these two houses is very low, that is almost 0, and resistance of this house is 200 ohm or 300 ohm. Then in this condition voltage of this house will become very high, and if over voltage is there in this house, then in this condition all the devices in this house will get damaged, because voltage has increased too much. So friends, I hope you learned something new from this video. If you learned something new, then give like on my video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.